looks cool. See? Oh. Thing is, you got to pay attention with a whip. Rip. This is a nylon whip, 10-foot. See that? And this is 8-foot leather. Yeah, that's good. The whip pops. Actually, this has a lot more weight on it. There you go. Pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I grabbed the camera. This one's a little harder to crack. Try not to take out my camera. Ouch! Need more distance. That's what. Oh yeah. It popped it a little bit. Whew. That cool? Cracked the screen. This is a little harder to crack too. Now we'll get the other one out. Whew. Pretty good. Let's see if I hit the camera. There you go. Let's see if I can get this to go to the screen. There you go. Now I'll use 2 whips. Whip is so snake feel. When I use a whip, it feels like you're like whipping a snake. This will be fun. I'm gonna do a close-up shot. Beating the shit out of that corn. All right.